Starting out this weekend, a very rare weekly stochastic buy signal. They don't come very often. The previous one was in July of 2019. The one before that was wow, look at this, October of 2018. VXX went from 28 to 51 in a matter of about 8 weeks. There was a lot of profit potential in VXX calls during that period. Back here in January 2018, 28 to 56, a secondary top at 54. Again, VXX doesn't have to go up more than 2-3 points, 10%, to get triple digit returns. Back in 2017, it went from 13 to 51 in a matter of what that looks like about 5 candles. Important thing is we just got a fresh buy signal with VXX at 23. This suggests that the market is not finished with all of its volatility. Speaking of which, this is our premium portfolio in Blue Line Trading. If you look at the current return column in the middle of the page, it shows you just where we are at our most recent signals. And you can see that we had a buy signal in VXX in February. This was before February 21st. This was before the buy signal that was just generated. So I believe VXX has a lot further to go on the upside. But let's talk about Tesla now. This is my thesis, that the introduction of the Cybertruck was tantamount to the introduction of the Apple iPhone, and that the market cap for Tesla will follow the trajectory for the market cap for Apple over the course of the next 5 to 10 years. And what is important on this chart is that even after the introduction of the iPhone, Apple had some significant declines in its future. In November 2008, it dropped 26% from its highs to 1180 from 1745 at the introduction of the iPhone. But look at this. Even after the decline here, you're still up 98%. After this huge decline in April of 2015, you're still up 240%. 2015, another huge decline. You're still up on your original purchase at 1745. You're up 410%. At the major retracements of November and December of 2018, you're still up 750%. This is just Apple. This is just buying Apple and living through these retracements. And why this is important is this chart right here. At the introduction of Cybertruck, Tesla was trading at $355. It then soared to a high of $969 about 2 weeks ago and has come down 31% since then. In the past 10 days, Tesla has dropped 31%. Ouch. But not so bad when you look at where it has come in the past 10 weeks, even including this close Friday at 668. Tesla is up 88% from where they introduced the Cybertruck in November. Over the next 5 years, the people that know this company best, or I should say second best after Tesla's management, are the folks at ARK Invest. I will provide a link below to their special report in which they project a price of $7,000, maybe as high as $15,000, maybe as high as $22,000 a share for Tesla over the next 5 years. So when you look at this chart and you look at this minus 31%, what you should think about is Apple and how often Apple had severe corrections on its run from $17 to $325. It's just beginning. This is Alan for Blue Line Trading. See you next week.